Welcome to Heart of Economy. Today I'm going to tell you about a $311 billion silent rescue operation. Not the kind of story you'll hear in the news. This isn't about charts or Fed statements. This is about something moving in the shadows, faces intervention with massive implications. Foreign inflows, a $311 billion mystery. In May 2025, $311 billion flowed into the US bond market from foreign sources. That's the largest one-month foreign purchase since the 2009 crisis. But there is a twist. $287.5 billion of it come from unofficial channels, not central banks, not governments, unknown players, silent giants, a hidden hand in the market. It's as if someone stepped onto the stage but never showed their face. They did one thing, pulled America out of a bond crisis. But why? And more importantly, on whose behalf? Smoke and mirrors, shifting bond powers. China was selling bonds that month. Its reserves were shrinking, political distance growing. Yet, at the same time, buying surged from Japan, the UK, and the Cayman Islands, but these are custody countries, places used to hide to real buyer. Tether, the digital central bank. The Tether, for example, the digital dollar symbol of the crypto world. It now holds over $98 billion in US treasuries. It's acting like a digital central bank, but who is it really buying for? Is it acting alone or being used as a proxy by others? Instinct or intervention? Let's pause and think. This wasn't a typical investment. This was a reflex, a built-in survival instinct of the system. Just like when the Fed injected liquidity in 2008 to stop the freeze, only this time the injection came from behind the curtain. So, what does this mean? Let's consider a few possibilities. 1. A fabricated sense of confidence. The US may appear to be a safe haven, but what if these purchases were orchestrated? What if someone was creating the illusion of demand? Then interest rates stay low, the dollar looks strong, but it's all an illusion. Underneath, the system remains hollow. 2. Shadow finance rescue operation. There is no official bailout, but this quiet bond buying props up government financing. Maybe the US is avoiding printing money directly, and instead simulating demand through offshore channels, buying its own debt. Not because investors believe in it, but because the system needs to survive. 3. A new financial order. Tether, BlackRock, JP Morgan. These giants now hold more treasuries than some nations. That could mean the beginning of non-state central banking, money no longer controlled by governments, but by financial consortia. 4. A balloon quietly inflating. Liquidity is being pumped into to keep interest rates low. Treasuries are being bought. But this isn't driven by real return expectations. It's about buying time. And when the balloon pops, it won't just shake Wall Street, it'll shake the world. That $311 billion, it's not just a number, it's a question mark. Who did it? Why? Will they do it again? And when the next crisis hits, will that money be there? We've been watching Heart of Economy. Today, we unpacked what history might record as just a big purchase, but we looked behind the curtain and laid out the possibilities. Economy isn't always about numbers. Sometimes it's a signal, and sometimes you have to read what's hidden, not just what's shown. Keep your eyes open, because the system is either stabilizing or quietly rotting from the inside, and that $311 billion could be the key to knowing which. If this story made you think, the real questions are only just beginning, because what comes next could rewrite the rules of global finance. We're just getting started at Heart of Economy, and we're here for the long game. Don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, turn on notifications to catch the next deep dive, and subscribe for more.